Do you know your skin undertone? And if you do you understand the difference between your skin undertone and your skin tone? In this video, we are going to be talking about your skin undertone and why it is important to know your skin undertone. If this sounds like something you are interested in, I want you to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that once I post a video, it's an opportunity for you to learn something new and also step up your beauty and skincare game. Stay tuned. For a long time now, I used to struggle with finding the exact shade of my foundation and lipstick for my skin. And it has made me to watch so much videos, makeup videos on YouTube, and read up some stuff on Google and all. But the thing is that once I watch these videos and I see the shade of foundation they use, then I go and buy the exact shade of foundation, and when I apply it, I look horrible. And I keep wondering, why is it that what I watched, what I saw on the video, what I read, if I get it, it's not showing, like it's not giving me the results I'm seeing on the video. So after so many back and forth with this, I just realized that your skin tone and your skin undertone plays a very huge role when it comes to selecting colors, selecting what to wear, your color of foundation, your lipstick shade. What is undertone? Undertone is the color of underneath your skin that affects your overall hue, especially when light hits your skin. Okay, let's not talk so much story. It is the color that you don't see immediately when you look at your skin, but it is there, but you don't just see it. It is different from skin color. Skin color is the regular color we see, like our normal complexion, from different shades: dark, deep brown, chocolate, caramel, light, all those stuff. So your skin color is just there. For instance, you can see two dark ladies or even two fair ladies, but when they wear a certain color of dress, you will see that they are the same complexion, but still some colors fit this particular lady more than the other lady, even though they are of the same complexion. So this is where undertone comes in. Remember, your skin tone there are some factors that can affect your skin tone. Factors like season. For instance, I remember my friend telling me that, guy, do you know that most times when it's Harmattan period, I tend to be more light skinned, like my skin tends to be fair, but during rainy season, her skin looks so pale and dull. So I begin to wonder, wow, so that means the skin color changes with season and also even weather. For instance, a sunny day, your skin can be a little bit darker than normal as compared to when there is no much sun. Even stress, environmental stress or physical stress can even affect your skin complexion because, once you're under stress, you tend to look more pale and dull, So what I'm saying in essence is that your skin color can change due to certain factors, but your skin undertone remains the same no matter the season. Now, you might be wondering, why is it so important for me to know my skin undertone? Well, it is very important because just knowing your skin undertone helps you to fathom the exact shade or color you should use in your foundation, the exact color you should use when you want to dye your hair, the exact color you should use when you're choosing a clothing for you to look perfect. Okay, so this helps you in bringing out the beauty in you. So if you don't understand your undertone, you will see somebody that is fair and she dyes her hair deep brown and she looks off, while another person who is also fair dyes her hair brown too and is looking so perfect, and you keep wondering, this person is fair, but it suits this person more. That is the whole idea behind knowing your undertone. We have 4 types of undertones. We have the warm undertone, we have the cool undertone, we have the neutral undertone, and we have the last one but not the least, known as the olive undertone. If you have a warm undertone and you go under the sun, you will notice your skin casts a yellowish, golden, or brownish hue under the sun. If you're of cool undertone and you enter the sun, you will notice your skin casts a bluish, pinkish, or even reddish hue under the sun. And if you're the neutral undertone, you will notice that it is almost like a mix. You can't really tell if your skin is casting a yellowish, like a warm, or a cool undertone. The neutral is the mixture of the warm and the cool undertone. There are some simple tests for you to understand your skin undertone. The first simple test is one, by looking at your veins. For instance, if you have a warm undertone, when you look at your veins, you will see a greenish, very outstanding greenish complexion on your vein. Your veins are green. It means you have a warm undertone. Then if you're of a cool undertone, when you look at your veins, you will notice a bluish, or will I say purplish vein. You know, sometimes the veins can be very confusing, but you have to look at it very well and check other people's own for you to understand what I'm saying. So you look at your veins, and if you can see your veins, the color of your veins clearly, maybe it's bluish or purplish, that means you're of a cool undertone. And for neutral undertone, if you can't really tell or you can't even see your veins from your skin, you might be of neutral undertone. The second simple test to know your undertone is find different colors of jewelry. For instance, if I have like a gold jewelry and a silver jewelry, when I put them on, when I wear a silver jewelry and a gold jewelry, if you're of a warm undertone, when you put on a gold jewelry, it suits you more. It makes you look more lively, more alive, more beautiful. For example, I'm going to put a picture of Beyonce. Beyonce is of a warm undertone, and that is why whenever she dresses, she wears more of gold, orange, yellowish or golden yellowish dress, and when she puts them on, she looks so beautiful, blended, more lively. That is because she's of a warm undertone and she has understood her undertone, and whenever she dresses that way, she knows how to complement it so that it looks beautiful. If you're of a cool undertone, silver suits you more. When you put on a silver bracelet, it blends, it makes you look more natural. You know, it doesn't stand on its own. That is just the difference. If you are of a cool undertone, silver jewelry makes you look lively, more like yourself, like more flattering on you. For neutral undertone, both gold and silver jewelry does the job. And I think I like this undertone because neutral, I mean, less stress. I can practically wear anything, and I mean, it blends, it suits me. Another way to know or to discover your undertone is by wearing a white shirt. For instance, using a white t-shirt, you can find out your undertone. Take a piece of cloth or a plain sheet, any of those things. Go under the natural light. Don't use the bulb in your house because some of these bulbs their colors are different. So go under a natural light, not intense sunlight now, but natural, normal light. Okay? When you enter the sun, stand in front of a mirror and place the white on top of your chin. Just let it touch your chin so that you can read from your neck. Because sometimes when you wear makeup, you might not really find out your real undertone. So when you put on a white shirt or you place any white paper or substance on your body, and then you are under the natural light, you are going to discover if you are of a warm undertone. The white, you're going to look, your skin color is going to just be different. Like, you're going to look more yellow. So there will be this yellow hue that will be casted on this white. And that is how you're going to discover that you're of a warm undertone. Then for cool undertone, if this white is on you and you look brighter, I mean, like you look more lively, you look more flattering, it means you're of a cool undertone, because white goes well with those who have cool undertone. So white suits you. But if you're warm undertone, you look more yellow than the white. I mean, no. Then if you're of a neutral undertone, you can't really tell if this white on me suits me, or if it's flattering or not. That means you're of a neutral undertone. So another color that is of warm undertone is off-white, brown, off-white, brown, orange. It suits those of warm undertone so well than another person that of cool undertone wearing it. I mean, yeah, it could be fine, but I mean, you could see the blend, you could see the beauty in those who have warm undertone. Another way to discover your undertone is by getting tanned under the sun. Actually, this is more peculiar with the white, because during the summer they go for tanning. So for instance, if you're of a warm undertone and you go for tanning, or you go under the sun and you tan but you don't burn, like you don't get sunburn, but you notice that your skin gets more yellow. You tan easily if you have a warm undertone. Like you have sunburn very fast, you're of a cool undertone. For those who are under the category of cool undertone, you burn fast when you're under the sun. Then for neutral, you burn, then you tan. It shows that you are of a neutral undertone. This is very important in fashion, so that you not always be wearing off things. You know, sometimes people will be asking you, are you sick? Are you pale? Did you just recover? What's making you sad? Sometimes it's the color of the dress we wear that is not flattering to us. So it is very important that you understand your undertone, so that you can make good choices of clothing, good choices of the color of hair you put on, and also your makeup, your foundation. If you are a makeup person, you can actually see the places where they write, like when you're getting a concealer or a foundation, some of them carry the names warm, Barbie, tan, cool, Barbie, all those things. Those things show you that the beauty industry is aware of undertones, and you know, they use it, they apply it in cosmetics. So you have to be sure of what you're buying, because if you don't have a good knowledge of your undertone, it's going to be very difficult to get your exact color of anything fashion. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video and you want more videos on how to know your undertone in terms of cosmetics, foundations and all, you can actually let me know in the comment sections. I believe you can differentiate between your skin undertone and your skin tone, and I highly recommend you watch the next video. The link is up here. Please drop your comments below. I'll do well to respond to each and every one of you. Subscribe and share. Have a lovely week ahead.